Let's get this started. Today is Tuesday, pop-up live stream, and we will make some money today, guys. Market is all on red, dollar index green, VIX is green, and all the indices is red at the moment. Dow Jones just spiked and S&P is ranging at the moment. And we were looking for an opportunity. Price trading in a between of VWAP and EMA line. Now we are looking on a 5-minute time frame and looking for opportunities. Let's set it up our screens. I opened the only subscriber mode, so if you have any question, make sure you subscribe before you ask me anything for free. So there is a bullish fair value gap appeared in Dow Jones futures, and as you guys know that I always say if Dow Jones going up, S&P will follow that. So we will see that if my thesis is correct. If we can close the bar above the VWAP, I am looking for a long opportunity here. Let's see. It was a nice spike. Setting up my accounts. I am looking for some strength. Hello guys, everyone welcomes. We are looking at S&P futures now, looking for a long opportunity. My eyes on the Dow Jones. Let's put here also dollar index. If dollar is going up, most probably indices will go down. So it's a fun day today, guys, but we will make the money, don't worry. Lux Algo indicators gave us a bullish buy signal on 1-minute time frame, and all the confirmations are return to green, so it says it's good to buy. Just waiting for bar to close. Let's see what will happen. If you just joined, please hit that like button. Hello Lorenzo, hello FA and 6 on.
Order filled.
Let's see. So just entered long position, put it my stop loss under the swing low, and we will make some money today, guys. This is a pop-up live stream. It wasn't planned, so it will be fun. And let's set my partial orders to the high of the day, so we will make some
order submitted.
Start green of the day, because psychologically if I start my day green, I like that. So S&P just appeared a fair value bullish gap. We are on profit, looking for some
Order
partials.
filled.
The first partials we took, and I will let my runners until above. Let me see. This is a Sunday open 41.50, and the most efficient take profit will be around the Sunday open, I guess, but we will see. Dollar is pushing up, indices are pushing up. We took some partials already. I didn't move my stop loss yet. There is a fight between buyers and sellers. So let's see. This is very bullish move. You see that 1 and 2 bullish fair value gap and strong buy signal from the Lux Algo, and here also strong buy signal from Lux Algo in S&P. Price just pulling back to the moving average 20-day. Let's see if it broke or it will go above again the VWAP zone. And we have entered long position. You can't see my orders. Yes, it's because the regulation issues, but currently I am in a long position. But of course, do not copy my trades, guys. I can lose money, right? I am here just a quick scalp. We have already took some profit. I'm looking for a new high of the days. And my entry was 41.43 for the Lorenzo. This is for you, my friend, if you are wondering. Dollar just hit the new highs and pulling back just a little. And Dow Jones is ranging in this area. Let's take a quick look on a higher time frames what's going on. I hate when it does this. Okay, let's see. Price is basically ranging in this area and I really get bored from this. You know, this weird area. Let me just mark it out. I think we need to see the prices move above or below this area so that we can aim for 40 or 50 handles. And by the way, dollar index just falling, which is nice for us because we are on a buy side at the moment and price just tries to go above the VWAP. And let's see, I am using Lax Algo's indicator. One of them is price action and the other one is signals and overlays. I have 20 EMA and I have VWAP. Good morning, Tony, welcome to stream. So we are long at the moment, waiting for price to go up and make new highs of the day, because dollar just reached the new high and just pulled back from it. Dow Jones still ranging. I guess that this week we can see some move that it will go out of this range that I just drew. You see this purple box. I want to see price go out of this zone ASAP, please, because we want to make a lot of money, not just a little money. I would like to scale my position when I got in. So today I don't feel that, you know. To scale up my position I need to see some nice juicy green candles now, but it just keep ranging at the VWAP, so I don't like that. Let's see, we have a change of character here from the Lax Algo price action. Price just bouncing again. Price yesterday filled the gap, opening gap from the Sunday, and which is nice. And guys, if you have any question, you can ask me about the indicators, about the forex, or whatever you want. I will happy to answer your questions. This is a very aggressive sell because you see that dollar is going up very aggressively. We got stopped out, but this was our partials, so no issues. Let's see. $88 loss. Thanks God that we have already took some partials. Wow, this is a huge drop. Is there any news or something that I missed? I didn't check that. Not a good idea. Let me see. No, there is no news. Wow, look at this, guys. Making new low of today. No hard feelings. Just watching. But this is very aggressive move. This is a double fair value gap. And these are all bearish, as you see that they are all red. Oh, US home data releasing in 10 minutes. Gosh. and that's why this volatility just came up. No problem, just a small loss. And this is why the partials are very important. You remember that we took our partials together, and I am trading micro contracts. So I always start with 5 and then I scaled up if I trust my position. If not, I start to take partials like today. So let's look at on a 3-minute time frame. This is the beginning of the day. Where is it? And this is the beginning of the day. Started the falling down, making new highs at around 2 a.m. New York time. Now price looking for a lower low. The low of the day was 41.30 and we are waiting for home sales. And after that, let's see if there are any news. Consumer confidence we have, and rest of the day no news, thanks God. Price just fell below the EMA and VWAP line. Dollar just bouncing. So for now, there is no opportunity for me. Price just like a, drunk person. But most probably it will fill that gap. But this is just like a throwing a bullet. So we will wait. Dollar is dropping sharply. Let's take a look at the book map. There is very aggressive buy orders. 500. No, it's a 600 buy orders sitting on 41.35. Someone just got filled. Ouch. It's not a good idea to trade with before the high impact news. 600 contract just filled. You see how it's blinking on the order flow chart. This is, by the way, Bookmap. It's not a must tool, but you can use it free on Thinkorswim if you have it. Let's return to chart. Market tries to go up from the lowest point since the market opened, 41.32. Screen is not clean. Just bounced from the Monday low, you see, and this is the previous week low, this is the Monday low. So there is a support. How is it not possible that my screen is not clear? Welcome, Mali. We are waiting news to come up. It will release in 9 minutes. We are watching that. And Dow Jones and S&P is like very similar. Dollar index ranging in this area. I think my screen is clear, my friend. If it's not, please let me know. Just please not spam the chat box. If you guys have any question, feel free to ask me. I will happy to answer your questions. Let's look at the higher time frames. We are trading S&P 500. My favorite instrument to trade. This is the lowest point before the market open, and this is the lowest point after the market open. So there is no structure that I see at the moment, and this bar is kinda bearish for me. And Lux Algo is about to give strong sell signal, but you need to wait until the bar closed to take any signals from the indicator. Price looking for a new lows. I would like to check the Nasdaq. And of course you all know that Nasdaq is more aggressive than any other indices. It moves fast, you see. Wow, nice move. This is the premium zone, this is the discount zone, which means that high point and lowest point of the day. Not such a move, not big moves. And the market is kind of boring in those days, like 1 week or so, not giving us so much handles or money. It's just like I feel like it's squeezed. Look at these gaps. It's crazy, but it will fun to watch that if it's gonna be fill or not. Oh, Lorenzo, I have stopped out, my friend. I set it my stop loss to the recent low of the day, so we stopped here, 41.37. $88 loss, including our profit from the beginning of the day. I think you're asking the book map screen. This screen is order flow screen, and you can see the depth of market here. You can see the orders from the big guys. It is free to use if you have a Think or Swim TD Ameritrade account. And for example, there is a big buy orders thing on 41.30, nearly 450 contracts waiting here, and not much so on in the sell side. So these bigs are means that iceberg orders, which means like it's a huge orders. What are you trading? Welcome Creative Videos. I am trading S&P 500 futures, and I'm using funded accounts, and I am really happy to use apextraderfunding.com, and you can find the link in my description with 50% off coupon. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq here. It bounced from these recent highs, so everyone's just waiting for the news to come up. After the 10, everything will be settled and we will get a clear direction of the market. For now, it's like a drunk guy. Market was ranging, goes up in this trend line here. It's so hard to make money like on these moves. There is no clear direction. You can't say that it will go up or go down. You can try it based off the price action, but it will give you very small money. So Nasdaq is found a support on Monday low, which means the previous day low, and dollar tries to go up and it tries to make a new highs. I think it will make a new high if it goes like that, but we are waiting for a news. It will come in 4 minutes. This is a 1 hour chart. If the market goes above from these points, my target is, like I said last week, it will most probably reach to 41.44. but we need to get out of the pink box before, right? This pink box, we need to get out. If we broke this, my target will be 42.44, and if the price will break this, we will make a nice amount of money. Maybe not today, but it will come to that point. I hate this TradingView alarms. It's like crazy. We are talking about 2.5%, and there are nearly 100 handles. It's crazy money. 56 long. What do you mean by that? You mean 41.56? I'm looking for a new indicators every week to show you guys and to help you to trade. But in those days, there are not so much indicators. Everyone is talking about the ChatGPT and ChatGPT indicators, but for me they are kind of, nonsense and useless. So the old indicators are very nice, right? The super trend, the lax algos indicator, optimized trend tracker, Donchian trend ribbon. These are very nice indicators. The whole suite. Of course, they will not give you 100% win rate, but in the end of the day, you will make money if you follow your rules and if you set your position size wisely, right? Risk reward ratios. These are very important actually. Whatever you trade, whatever your, the trading strategy, you always need to have a proper risk management. That is the key for becoming profitable trader. That's all I know. I'm trading since like 9 years for now, and the most important lesson for me is risk management. You need to manage your risks properly. If you put your stop loss here, do not move it here, because you have already lost. You cannot change it. You cannot pray to God that, please God, let it bounce. If you do that, please go back and find another trading strategy, or let your losers be a loser and let your winner to be a winner, because when you see green you will close up immediately. And now it's 10 a.m. friends. I think the news just came out. It seems like a bullish for the markets. We will see how price will react and we will take an action. I'm getting hot here, guys. Let's see if we catch new opportunity now. Please hit that like button because it motivates me a lot and I am showing here for you guys. It's so nice that you hit that like button. I'm really happy you also like my videos. I'm looking for a long opportunity here, but there is no solid price action yet. This is the most dangerous time. After the 1 minute, you need to wait. Yes, news is out, Lorenzo. Let's see what it says. Oh, it's above the expected. It's bullish for the markets. Nice. Expected was 630 and actual was 683, which is nice. Seems like market like that, but we need to see more. Price now trading in EMA 20 line, watching for solid move. Market filled that gap and we have next gap here. If we fill that, I will look for long entry, And Dow Jones just made a bullish fair value gap, and these all gaps are appeared automatically in my chart thanks to price action indicator, and you can find the link in my description. Yes, it's positive, it's good for the market. Let's see how it will react, because Mr. Market decides whether it's go up or go down. Even though everything was perfect, it can go down, right? We have seen that. Price just pulling back, filling the gap. So this guy is just on a live again. We might switch direction here. Yeah, sometimes I use 5 minutes, sometimes I use 1 minute. You know, it's nice to see that in every time frame in intraday trading, because I don't want to miss any swing low, swing high, or some, I don't know, the fair value gaps appeared on 5 minutes or 3 minutes, whatever it is. I'm looking for a short now. The news is positive, but it seems like market will go down. What I feel from the price action here. Just waiting for confirmation. If we broke the previous week low and the Monday low, I will enter a short position for 5 handle. It will be somewhere here. Let's see. Hello, Yusuf. If you guys enjoying, do not forget to hit the like button. It helps a lot to spread the video. When the news is out, you never know where the market will go. So we are just watching the market. Actually, news is positive, but it doesn't affect the price that much. Price just trading about the EMA 20 here again. We don't need this Fibonacci's. Market is ranging. If you go out of this zone or out of this zone, I will enter a position. But between that zone, it's not make sense to me. I just don't feel comfortable to take any position here. I think we have a nice volume, but price just not goes anywhere. Oh, Lorenzo, I'm happy for you, my friend. Now we are in an equilibrium zone. It's the between that premium and discount, low and high of the day. I'm feeling like bearish. Every time price wants to go up, it goes down in a huge red candle. This is the moves since start of the market. Nothing has happened. Just this bearish fat candle. If you look at in 3 minutes, we have this bearish gap, which makes me kinda short the market. Let's see. I think I will take a small position here.
Order filled.
Let's take a look at the book map. There is a big buy order sting on 41.30. Not so much sell order. Orders coming into market. And while you're watching that, I will set up my trading screen. It's time to look at that. The gamma, the option flow is also important for the market. I really like to check that also. Now I will show you that. It's nice to have that, looking for a lot of things, but you decide end of the day, of course. Let me show you this. So the net flow is puts are winning, calls are going down just slightly, but overall markets are a lot of puts here. So the 0 DT GEX is just nothing so excited at the moment. $409 and $413 is a positive GEX. So market flow is kind of bearish now. Just will take
order filled.
Partials here and move my stop loss to the nearly break even. Okay, like I said, might take profit in 26. Moving my stop in the profit zone. I like that. Give me money. I wish we could enter in a full size, but nothing to do, right? Just about to hit my take profit. I don't know why I didn't gut filled. I hate when it does this. It comes to there, just you missing with the one tick. Unbelievable. Come on. Give me that hot money. We are making lower low. which is very nice. Oh gosh, just bounced it. We didn't get that fill. We have this fair value bearish gap. Second wave is coming. Dollar is very strongly going up. You see that how we just changed the direction. We were bullish at the market open and now we switched to the bear side because why not? We just watched the price action.
Target filled.
This is good. I like that sound. I think market will keep going down, but we will see that. Okay, we got one winner and one loser. Look at the dollar index. It's just like a skyrocketing or what? Oh my god, look at these gaps. We like the gap. I think we will see some nice downside move. Now you can check the higher time frames to see what's going on because we are making lower lows here. We need to see where is the next target, where is the next supply and demand or resistance or support, whatever you call it. Everyone calls something different. Sell side liquidity, buy side zone, blah blah blah, demands and supplies, resistance. I think price can go down like a 10 handles more or so, but for now I'm flat now. We took one long position in the beginning of the session and we lost half of them. We take some partials, and second trade was very nice trade. We entered at 41.34 and we have exited at, let me see, 27, 41.27. It was very nice trade. 8 handles, cool. Yes, one of them 41.30 and the other one is 41.27.25. It was nice trade. I wasn't expected that, so I took a half size of my position. I regret that, but nothing to do. Profit is profit. Profit is profit. This is like a raindrop. I think this will be my second target. Let me just show you. Price will always go for where the big order's sitting. So let's see. We have 400 contracts waiting here at 41.20. This will be the next target for the shorts. So which will give us 10 handles like I mentioned 1 minute ago. It was nice trade, huh? 8 handles. We are making money here, guys. If you are enjoying my stream, please hit that like button so that you will get more profit, huh? But please do not copy my trades blindly. You can lose money. Price just bounced, but I guess it's like a small correction. My direction is bearish now. As long as we stay below this Monday low, I am bearish. Look at this dollar index. There is a change of character. There is a very strong buy signal from the Lux algo. And all the confirmation indicators was green. And we heard the sound of money. Let's look at the market flow. Puts are going up very aggressively. Look at this. Convergence is rising. And the GEX is becoming bullish. You know, you can take your second short here because price is respecting
Order filled.
the gap here. This is very low probability entry, by the way. Do not do that. Most probably we will lose, but it's very small position. I am waiting for second wave of sell-off. And will drop off my position at where the most of the orders sitting. Stop loss is very important here because it can touch your stop loss and will go down. This is the worst thing that can happen to you. I put my stop loss just above the fair value gap here. So if it fill that gap, I will be out of the position. Watching closely, watching closely. We don't need economic calendar anymore. Puts are going up. The third entry of the day. We just entered a short position. I really like how market becomes volatile. I could get a better entry, but nothing to do. When I share my Ninja Trader, it's very strange that you cannot see the inside chart. So strange. I don't know why that happens. So maybe I just close it. If the price becomes aggressive, I will increase my position size. I want to see new lows. Let me just drink. The new lows is coming. Dollar making new highs, so no surprise that market will go down, right? I don't know, did you guys take a position with me? We are in a zigzag zone. It goes up, goes down. Dollar just bounced from the highs, and we have 1, 2, 3 gaps. 3 bullish fair value gaps on a 1 minute time frame, of course. Let's look at the higher time frames here. We are making money here, guys. We are in profit now, just waiting price to do something. By that time, please hit that like button, spread the love. Market's just so slow today, but I think the last trade that we took will be in a success. The VIX is up 6.5%. Wow. The VIX is volatility index, by the way. You can say also it's like a fear index. It's kind of boring to watch the market. When it's ranging, look at this. The last 15 minutes is wasted. Price found the support on the MA line. We are currently in a short position, waiting price to hit our targets.
Order submitted.
My entry was 41.29.5, so we are in a profit like 1.5 handle, but this is very small position, again not a full size, just 2 micro contracts here. Those who don't know, I have started the membership in my YouTube channel. If you become a membership, you will gain access to my Discord and you will have full access to all channels. So you will take my trade ideas and you will have a chance to ask me a question anytime. And for the first 100%, you will get founder role, which will be a reward from me. What is this? Come on. We'll take my partials to the up.
Order filled.
What happened? Oh. Okay. This is nice. Moving my stop to down because price just make new low of the day. I don't know if you can see my screen from the cam, but you can see my trades live there. I don't know how to share my Ninja Trader on OBS. Somehow it doesn't show the chart, but I put it on the left side. So how are you guys? Do you have any question for me? Do you have something to ask? What are you guys trading? Ask me anything while we waiting, or let's have a chat. And if you haven't liked the stream yet, hit that like button. Like is free. No need to pay for like. It's making lower lows. It's nice, but it's kind of, you know, low volatile market. I will put my stop loss to my break even because I hate when the price does this. You enter position and price ranging doesn't do anything. Look at the EMA. You can use the 20 EMA as your stop loss. I mean the dynamic stop loss. I don't want to get out from my position because I believe that it will hit our target. Let's see the book map. There's very huge order sitting on 41.20 still. You see that this bold red color here.
Stop filled.
We have took the position out and we closed with, of course, profit because we have moved our stop loss in a profit zone. So we made 3 trades, 2 of them was in pure profit. It was very, very nice trades. I really like to make money with you guys on live. Look at the dollar index. It's just falling sharply. It can push the price up here. This is very aggressive sell. Watch the Dow Jones. It's falling. This Laxalgo indicator is really accurate, by the way. Even in 1 minute, surprisingly. Just make the new lows. Gosh. I was greedy to move my stop to the profit zone. I should have trusted my target. But profit is profit, of course. The last thing is, if you want to use my setup, you can find in the description. I'm using Laxalgo's indicator. Oh my god, look at this move. And there is a 30% off coupon, and if you don't like it, you can get your refund in 30 days. So consider that. Thank you for joining my session. I hope you see us very soon. What is the indicator? Tony asked. Tony, it's Laxalgo's premium indicator actually. Price action concepts and signals and overlays. It's very high accuracy. You can find in the link in the description. There's a 30% off running now. Use the coupon and get the discount. So that was all for the day, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you for joining. Until the next time, take care of yourself and see you soon.